Hey guys, you guys here with Josue on the Bassman TV. I'm going to be doing a walk around of my boat. It is a Lowe Stinger 17 HP, and I'll basically be showing you guys my setup, the way I set up my boat, what it looks like. But let's get started, guys, and here it is. It is at a 90 horsepower, 2-stroke. Direct injection, guys. Optimax. Got my sonar. Got my stainless steel prop. And as you can see, I got a whole lot of mystery tackle box I got to go through and do a lot of reviews on. But also got your back storage, which your fuel tank and your 2 batteries and your battery charger, and also up here in the back deck, let me show you the sides. Also here in the back deck you also got your, this is where I keep some of my storage. I don't know if you guys can see that. Robo worms, creature baits, worms and creature baits. And also on the right side, some more storage. And you got here your hooks, crankbaits and jerk baits, and 5 to 7 inch swim baits. I got your back seat. Up here you got your gauges, Lowrance X4 that will be replaced soon, and you got your controls for your navigation lights, your live wells, your horn. You got your key. You got also another Humminbird fish finder, which will be upgraded. Then you got your forward, neutral, and reverse. You got your seats, and these also flip forward. And I keep my boat information, some Scotty rod holders for the mounts I have on both sides. You know, my navigation lights. Let me hop in there. Got a little step, which also folds up for a third person. You also got a cup holder. And up here, got like a cold storage, but I keep my miscellaneous stuff. My reels, knives, more line, a river to sea swim bait, which my brother left over, swim baits, oils, Mega Strike, classic bass, more line, just a lot of miscellaneous stuff that I go through the day and use and just throw in there. That's there. Then here's my rod locker. Rod locker looks pretty empty. I broke 2 poles the last time I was out. I have a Whopper Plopper I've been trying to do a review on. As you can see, is a portion of the rod I broke off. I shipped them off, had a warranty on them, so I could fit quite a bit of rods in this one, so pretty happy with that. Also have a storage in the middle, which I keep 2 life jackets, some rope, my fire extinguisher, some Cincos on command, some snacks, and you never know when you'll be needing that, and some more baits, hooks, stuff in that nature in that box. And you also got a live well here. I forgot to show you the one in the back. It has a divider. This one's pretty big. Don't know the actual size, but it's pretty big. And that's, you got your seat in the front. You also got your rod extenders, which are there for your seat. And you got your trolling motor, your motor guide here. It's 46-pound thrust. Pretty nice. I like it. They also got another fish finder up here, which will also be upgraded. And that's pretty much it, guys. That is my boat. 90 horsepower, Lowe 17 HP. Pretty nice. I like it. That's it, guys. I'll do a little walk around and show you guys. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Tell me what you think. Alright, guys. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.